again. Or should that be Mata Boku Deo? Perfect. Thanks to an inability to follow basic navigational instructions, I find myself accidentally in Japan. I was wondering why it took over a week to get to the supermarket. Having made this mistake, I'm faced with two options. 1. Rue my error for all eternity and make myself miserable that I would make such a terrible mistake. 2. Accept that the mistake happened and make the best of the situation. After spending some time ruing my error and making myself miserable, I found myself miserable, and so I've decided to take the second course of action. Let's go. Or rather, RcCars. Perfect again. I didn't know what side of the road Japanese people drove on. I just drove on both sides of the road, so at least I was right half the time. And most people, well, about half really, seemed perfectly fine with that. Whichever way you look at it, it was a new experience though, and it got me thinking that we're all guilty of staring at the odd, metaphorical, concrete wall once or twice in our lives. Where, from day to day, you might not think there's much to see, unless you like moss. But beyond the wall there might be something much more exciting than you ever imagined. Even if you're a fan of moss. Beautiful waterfalls, beaches, nighttime cityscapes, volcanoes, woodland, all of those beautiful as well. Chairlifts, not really beautiful but the view's nice. Interesting streets, different foods, different buildings, different vehicles, curious and not at all terrifying wildlife, strange futuristic high-speed forms of transportation, even if it's not as fast as my van. In fact, why not just doing the same thing I normally do every day and looking over that metaphorical concrete wall? I've had many memorable moments. So, what started off with me being lost has ended up being a rather fulfilling experience. And I will return to my homeland filled with inspiration. You don't normally get that at the supermarket. Thanks again for watching. Johnny! Bye bye. I think that's right.